Okay, before I start any long division problem, the first thing I want to do is set up my number seeds. Number seeds tell me how many digits my quotient will have, and they also tell me how many cycles of the division song I'm going to need to sing to solve this problem. So what I do is I look at this problem, 476 divided by 9. Can I make a group of 9 out of 4? No. But I can make a group of 9 out of 47. So what this means is that my quotient will have 2 digits, and I'm gonna sing the division song 2 times. So once I have my division seeds, I'm ready for my division song. You must count by 9, don't pass 47. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 5. 5 pops up, and I know 5 times 9 is 45. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. 47 minus 45 is 2. Pull down the shade. Every time we pull down the shade, you must count by 9. Don't pass 26. 9, 18, 27. Oh, 2. 2 pops up, and I know 2 times 9 is 18. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. 52, remainder 8. Okay, who's ready for another example? 3,847 divided by 7. Can I make a group of 7 out of 3? No. But I can make a group of 7 out of 38, which means my quotient is gonna have 3 digits. It also means I'm gonna sing the division song 3 different times. Yes. We're gonna count by 7, don't pass 38. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 5 pops up, and I know 5 times 7 is 35. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. 3. We're gonna pull down the shade. Every time we pull down the shade, you must count by 7, don't pass 34. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 4 groups. 4 pops up, and I know 4 times 7 is 28. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Let's do a little regrouping. 6. Let's pull down the shade. Every time we pull down the shade, you must count by 7, don't pass 67. Whoa. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 22, 49, 56, 63. That's 9 groups. 9 pops up, and I know 9 times 7 is 63. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. Remainder 4. Want more resources for the long division song? Click on the link below and get a student-facing division cheat sheet that includes the words to the division song.